back on the other side of the rope, please.
How far are we running?
Get up there.
It's whatever.
120 feet. Get up there.
20 feet.
As soon as you hit that 120-foot mark, you stop the stopwatch. Yep. Your flag is to stop the trucks, not to start them. He starts them, you stop them. That's why you have flags. I see you guys are both in the starting them, but he starts them, you stop them. Well, Kirby broke my video magnet. He's already went over and parked by the time my camera reset to fix the thing, but he did make the pit. I'm sure Junior might have the footage, I'm not sure. But it's a cool down period for his truck. Hopefully we got most of it. It's called Extra Money.
Yeah.
Ready? You ready? Out of Hannibal, New York. All right, give him a footage. That's what everybody says. He says, I'm either going to make it or leave some hellacious trenches on the way through. And he did both. I don't know, it's his first time here. It's his first time here, he don't know. Nobody explained it to him at the driver's meeting or nothing. No. long as I have a cigarette. I'll hold this camera for a minute. This is what I got out of that one. There's guys down my pants. That's what it's all about. So that's the first time I got muddy videoing, and it won't be the last. It's all about the job. Camera can be replaced too. I just got to get the footage off it. Jason Quigley on the line with his Monster Mega Chevy, Barnyard Bogger Power. Hey,
remember
Ralph.
the Dodge that pulled him out at Friday 4x4 that nobody said to pull him out?
That green truck.
Were you guys recording the day that he got stuck in Friday 4x4 when he broke down and the red Dodge pulled him out? You guys were, someone was recording, it was me. My little stock Dodge pulled him out of the bog. Out of the bog at fucking Fridays.
Nothing in the rear. Jason's still representing the Outlaw videos. Thanks, Jason. I appreciate your support, man. Do everything we can to support you. Jason might be done for the day, but you'll definitely see him at Kirby's without a doubt. Never takes this guy long to get his truck back up and going. Broken drive shaft. talked him into stopping Jason down to put a strap on his drive shaft. Looks like he broke a back yoke or something, or a U-joint. They're strapping up the rear drive shaft to get it up there so it won't hurt his transfer case. Well, there goes my second pull up the hill, in case we don't make it. Come on, Kirby. Keep her together. I got Jason's shafts out. Got him fired up. Gonna get him back out of here. And I think Kirby's up next for another run. Transfer case ain't done. Alright, he's up and going again. Up there, dude. Supposed to be at the 120. Did he make it?
He made it to 120.
Should have stopped me. Yep.
119. Hey, you think you're gonna
be it? Time it right here. 118.
24 seconds.
117, 10 inches.
Give him this one.
I go right to the front of the tires because you can't go by the bumpers. People can weld their bumpers on way out here. You got to go by the tires. It's the only way to be fair.
Here. I'll get around the track. 24 seconds with 118.
Derby weight is 99 Lincoln Continental. Barnyard bogger power pushing 850 horsepower methanol injected. Kirby will have you having his event next week. Kirby's compound. You guys can go to my website and check it out for a link to get to his event. There'll be directions and stuff to get there. Anybody that needs details on his event, just contact me, leave me a PM or at our website. We're happy to give you all the information you need on his event. That's June 18th at Armington Road. and gentlemen, Kirby weight. Barnyard bogger power. After Kirby's fire last year, you have Kirby's compound crew all over it. You guys can see in the red shirts. Kirby himself. Kirby's compound on Army Road right here in Palmyra. You can see all the Barnyard Boggers trucks live at his event, June 18th. Yeah, you can always see all the videos right here at the Outlaw Videos. But it's always better live. Next week. When the big trucks go, so don't the crowd, as you can tell.